Understanding laboratory chemical risks is crucial for protecting the health and safety of employees in your facility who routinely handle hazardous chemicals. Laboratory Chemical Safety Fundamentals from Process Safety Learning equips you with the knowledge and skills necessary to identify, assess, and manage chemical hazards effectively. Whether you're a lab technician, researcher, supervisor, safety officer, or manager, this course delivers a clear, comprehensive introduction to modern chemical safety practices and regulatory requirements. You'll learn the fundamentals of chemical risk management, hazard communication requirements, OSHA's laboratory standard, proper chemical handling and storage, an effective PPE program, essential emergency preparedness, and more. The course helps you identify common chemical hazards, understand chemical hygiene plan requirements, and build the foundation for an effective laboratory safety training program. And because chemical safety continues to evolve, we explore emerging trends shaping the future of safer laboratory operations. The result? Hyper-awareness, smarter choices, drastically reduced risk, and a safer laboratory for everyone. Elevate your safety standards before it's too late. Enroll today in Laboratory Chemical Safety Fundamentals from Process Safety Learning.